Hey there! Are you looking for ways to make your product website more credible and SEO optimized? Well, adding reviews to your website can be a great way to do so. Well, let's see how you can do that together. For the purposes of adding reviews to our website, we're going to use the Editorial Rating plugin by Pluginic, and here's what you can do with it. You can add different types of reviews to your website. We'll look at them in a minute. And then you can also add pros and cons and schema support. You can display your product ratings on Google search page, which will enhance your search engine rankings. And you can add different call to action buttons, cross ratings, WooCommerce support. You can do basically so many things with this one plugin. And let's also review a couple of examples that you can add to your own website. You can see, let's look at one of this. Let's say this demo. And here you can see the quality ranking, you can see the pros and cons, you can see the buy now button, and basically the stars, and you can do so with your own products, your own services on your website. Let's head to now our WordPress dashboard and see how we can do that together. Now I'm on my WordPress dashboard, and here I've already installed and activated the Editorial Rating plugin, and let's see what we can do with it. First, let's head to our settings page to configure them. And the first one is the global settings. Here you can enable schema globally. This is a great SEO feature. If you want to improve your search ranking, then you can enable this, and this will display the reviews of your website, products or services on Google search. But keep in mind, if you have another SEO plugin that also offers this feature, then it's better to keep this disabled so that they don't conflict with each other. Then here is this editor rating by product. So here you can choose where you want to display your reviews, posts, pages, or to them combined. You can simply delete them here and add them right from here. Enable widget globally. So if you can choose to enable all widgets from Editorial Rating plugin, and let's keep this enabled. You can also choose to show reset button in meta box and editorial rating and products. If you want to add reviews to your products or services on WooCommerce, then you need to keep this feature enabled as well. Okay, let's click on Save the Changes, and let's head to blogs. And here are over 15 blocks that offer different templates for adding your reviews, such as review summary template, cross rating template, review info box, pros and cons, premium table, pricing table, star rating, banner ad, notice box, and you are free to enable and disable them with a single click. Simply turn on and off the ones that you want to use or not. Okay, in this backup, you can here import all your reviews, so in case anything happens and they are lost, you can export them from here and use them again. Here you can add your license key, here is the version control, and here is where you can get help or support. Here you can see a very detailed how-to video that you can follow, their documentation and live demos that you can follow. And here are some reviews that can help you as well. And let's now create our first review and add it to our website. For that purposes, we're heading to Add Review. Here, let's first name this section. Say it's Canon Cameras Review. Okay, and we're starting with the appearance. Here are 9 themes available, and we can select any of them. The first one is completely for free and is in a free plan, while the others are only in a pro plan and are available only there. Let's take a look at all of them and let's see which one matches the look and feel of our website. Well, great. I think the third one is what I need. Let's go down. Here we can choose the maximum width. We can choose the title and the product name. Let's add the product name. This is the overview of our product. We are free to customize it. The product image, you can change it any moment. You can choose to show or hide the update date, but I think to keep it always up to date, we will enable this. And this will show last updated, or you can choose how to refer to it. But you can also custom the date here. Best for who, the author designation, and here is the editorial rating system already. You can choose to enable and disable any of the sections here like this. But if you enable this one, you can add the category name, the category rating, such as let's say the quality or some other very specific feature that you want to add, and you can choose the category rating. You are free to change the names here, add yours, delete them, and then add more right from here, and choose the rating from here. The progress bar animation, if you want, here it was. Let's also keep that on. This is the pros and cons section, and here again you can enable or disable this, but if you want to keep this, then you will need to add advantages here. So in this case it's advantage sample 1, sample 2, sample 3, and here are the disadvantages list, which works the same way. You simply click on add more, delete them, and the same goes here, add more and delete them. The button, if you want to have a call to action button, then you can choose the link text where it heads to, redirects the users to. You can choose to open the link in a new tab, turn the button link in a not follow. Product name linked, product image linked. You can add links to them as well. And you can choose to add user ratings. And if you enable this, you will be able to put a survey here, and they will fill it in, and you will have the user ratings displayed live there as well. Once you custom this, don't forget to go up, first save the changes, and then publish it. And once you publish this, you can head to all reviews, and you can see the respective shortcut of each of these reviews designated right here, which we'll simply need to copy and then head to a new page or a post and simply paste it here as a shortcut. Let's do that, publish. Let's view the page, and here you can see it. Well, that's it about the editorial rating plugin by Pluginic that will help you make adding reviews to your website a breeze. And if you've still got any questions concerning it, don't forget to drop them in comments and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to not miss out any of our upcoming videos. And I'll see you next time, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.